In your opinion, does it constitute blasphemy, and should it carry a death sentence to publish, for instance, a cartoon of the Prophet?
Whatever was done in Danish newspaper, I agree. Danish is not an Islamic country. And there is no right of any Muslim community to claim Islamization of Denmark. Sharia is not to be enforced in Denmark. Islamic laws and penal system is not to be enforced in Denmark. So it will never be applied here. This is just a matter in the Islamic countries. I believe in democracy. Parliaments have their own choice to make the blasphemy laws or not to make. What kind of punishment they want to formulate and what kind of not. So Danish Parliament has its own right, freedom. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark. So I would say no punishment for the cartoons publisher newspaper here in Denmark.
So what
this
about
is
in
not non-Muslim
Pakistan?
society and non-Muslims.